Today, so another absolutely beautiful product from the Mantiques network. This is a 1920s United States air compressor company air compressor. We only do the flat belt ones. These are the ones that are really super desirable, and it's got the flat belt, not the V belt. This was probably built in the 1920s. Basically, it's cast iron, steel. As always, we took it completely apart. We sent it out for sandblasting. We sent it out for paint. It's all beautiful car paint, clear coated. Then we have our striper come in and we have them do all the striping. This is a stunningly beautiful air compressor for you gas and oil people or anybody. It works. You see we put nice copper lines on it. It's got a beautiful brass gauge, copper air filter. This thing is absolutely beautiful. We use the original wood down here on the bottom. As you see, the bands are all plated. We did it all in bright chrome and polish. So this air compressor does work, okay? So, and I just want to point out, as you see over here, we have an air hose reel, which are matching colors. I am going to be offering that next. We're going to offer them separately, but it's first come, first serve. If you'd like them both, we'll put them on the same pallet and get them delivered. Right now, we're only talking about the air compressor. We'll get to that next. So very fortunate, this air compressor actually still works. We put a brand new belt on it, then we did a little antiquing on it to make it look kind of old. It looks really super nice. And the way that you turn this, I'm gonna plug it in, but it's this little doohickey right up here, which actually starts making it compress, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so let's get this baby going. Now it's going, right? Now this does work, okay? It's super cool to show your friends. I don't think I would put any air tools on it, but it sure is nice to show everybody that it does work and it does make air. So it's super nice piece. All of this has been chromed. Is that cool? And then super cool machine. Our motor tensioning brackets here, they've all been plated. You know, as always, we did absolutely everything we could. We couldn't find any place to put any more money. We had our striper come in. This is all raised lettering, the motor stripe, the compressor stripe. We love the silver on black as well as the copper. And hear it? Here's my little microphone. Can you hear it, Walker? All right, cool. So anyway, absolutely beautiful, stunning piece. This is going to look great in your man cave with all your hot rods. Once again, right now we're only offering an air compressor. I will do this next. So if you get the package. Anyway, thanks for your time.
Turn it on again if you would.
Turn it on again?
Yeah,
okay. Okay. Let me find the dang thing. Oh. Yeah.
We are just two guys in the camera.
Pretty much.
Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.